The net wrap V-belt on your round baler plays a critical role in the baling process. The V-belt drives the net wrap system and helps to control the tension of the net wrap material as it's dispensed onto the bales. This ensures the bales are wrapped evenly and securely with net wrap material for optimal protection during storage and transport. In this video, we'll show you how to remove and replace the net wrap V-belt on your round baler. We're using a John Deere 568 round baler with a mega-wide pickup. Always consult your operator's manual for your specific machine before starting any maintenance to ensure all safety steps are followed and you have the appropriate personal protective equipment. Overview of steps. 1. Park machine safely. 2. Remove hardware. 3. Remove V-belt. 4. Install new V-belt. 5. Reattach hardware. To get started, safely park your baler and lower all equipment to the ground. Lock the baler gate, then start the tractor and raise the tension arm fully using the tractor hydraulics. Turn the tractor key to the off position, remove the key, and unplug the monitor controller from the outlet. Open the net wrap cover and put a support under the drive roll to help bear the weight of the roll. Next, we'll remove the hardware on the shield to access the V-belt. Start by removing the cap screws and nuts from the shield. Then remove the shield. Raise the brake lever and place it on the tab. Remove the cap screw and washer from the sheave. Then remove the sheave. Carefully remove the V-belt and replace it with a new one, taking care to ensure it aligns correctly. Reattach the sheave, washer, and cap screw. Remove the brake lever from the tab and lower it. Then reattach the shield, cap screws, and nuts. Now you'll need to check the belt tracking and V-belt idler tension. Refer to your operator's manual and follow the instructions in the sections titled Adjusting Belt Tracking and Checking and Adjusting Net Wrap V-Belt Idler Tension. Once you've confirmed your belt is tracking properly and you don't need to make any more adjustments, remove the support from the drive roll and close the net wrap cover. And there you have it. Your John Deere baler is ready to run at peak performance this baling season.